sometimes life may things change, and sometimes you have to make choices, and you have to prioritize your life. And that exactly what happened with me in the last 2 weeks. Life happened. I had other things, more important things to look after, and hence I couldn't create my video. 2 बार मैंने सोचा that किसी तरह से करके छोटा सा एक वीडियो तो डाल ही देती हूँ, but then no, I didn't want to. I wanted to give you a thing that has some quality and some words. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to Speak Smart with Anu. I'm Anu and you are on a journey with me so that we can be smart speakers, amazing speakers. So consonants तो हम कर ही चुके हैं, and I've shown you the phonetic chart. If you remember the phonetic chart, we completed the consonants, and now we're going to finish the vowel sounds, and with that the Pandora box of numerous pronunciations worldwide are going to be in your hands. So फटाफट without any further ado, let's start our pronunciation, because जल्दी ये pronunciations खत्म करके हमें आगे भी तो बढ़ना है. So let's get down to our vowel sounds. The question that I have for you is, how many vowels do we have? A, E, I, O, U. Only 5. If you remember, D-O is do and G-O is go. So the same letter O is giving different sounds. The reason is that 5 symbols, 5 letters are giving out 20 different sounds. Okay? So we are going to cover the first 12, which are also known as monophthongs or the single vowel sound. Again, these are not paired per se, but you would see that there's a smaller sound and then there is a longer sound. For example, the sound E and E. So both have the E in it. One is a little stretched and the other one is little clipped. E. Similarly, oo and oo, o and o. Okay, so let's take a look. We'll start off with the first sound. I'll try to do this in pairs as much as possible, because because of the short and the long sound, a lot of errors happen. Okay, so the first sound that we have is E. It's a normal, relaxed, stretched E. Now wherever you see a sound, a symbol representing a sound with 2 dots, that is representing the fact that the sound is a little stretched. Okay, so it's not E, it's E. E. Let's look at some words. Meal. Meal. Again, do not go by the spellings, go by the sound. M-E-A-L has E and A in the center, but the sound is E. Meal. Eat. Green. See. Sheep. Beach. East. Cheese. Each. Feel. Dream. Okay, now let's look at the shorter sound which is similar, and that is E. Mirror. Win. Little. Kick. Fill. Kill. Exit. Dish. Mill. And live. Now I was talking to you about how the shorter and the longer sound, if interchanged, can create a confusion and can mean a different word altogether. Okay, let's look at some of these confusing pairs. Leave, live. Now it's incorrect to say please live. Yeah, please leave or please. Please leave, not please live. seat, sit. So please sit on a seat. Not that is a sit, please sit on it. Okay? Peel. You peel a banana. A pill is what you eat. Steal and still. Feet, fit. Heat, hit. Meal and a mill. Feel and fill. Okay? If you use the sound interchangeably here, the word can change. Okay? So keep that in mind. Moving on to the next pair. In a way, it's a pair because one is a longer sound and one is a shorter sound. The first sound is ooh. Ooh. Roof. Zoo. Food. Cool. Balloon. A group. It's not a group, it's a group. Juice. Ruler. News. Shampoo. A slightly clipped sound. Ooh. Bull. Good. Brook. Shook. Wood. Football. Look. And a notebook. Okay? Moving on to another sort of a pair. The first sound is a short F, like bread, friend, guess, restaurant, bed, red, better, best, electric, extra. Yeah, the sound is E. Now let's look at a slightly relaxed version of E. It's A. E. A. Let's look at some words with A. Language, dad, jacket, family, camera, gas, ham, and bad, black, happy. So the sound is A. Okay? Open your jaws when you're saying words in English. The more you open your jaws, the more you express yourself, the better your pronunciation and your diction is going to be. Okay? And like I always say, practice, practice, practice. Practice is the only key. And that is the reason why I'm giving you so many examples. These are day-to-day words that we use. But if you use them appropriately, the impact of your speech is going to be way, way better than what it usually is. So why not? Moving on to the next sound. Again, in a way, it's in a pair. The sound that we're going to talk about now is It's a very short, very clipped It's also known as the schwa sound, and it's the shortest sound in the English phonetics. Okay. Sometimes this sound is it's not very clearly audible as well. Let's look at some words. The word is autumn. So it's not autumn, autumn, autumn. Afternoon. So it's not afternoon, afternoon. Vegetable. Vegetable? No. Vegetable. Vegetable. Melon. Melon. So again it's not melon. Melon. Album. Breakfast. So it's not breakfast or breakfast or breakfast or whatever you want to call it. It's breakfast. Letter. Ago. Cover. Person. daughter. A lot of times when the sound or the letter is R in the end, this sound will appear. Okay. Moving on to a slightly relaxed version of it is R. There's a slight R to it. R. R. Heart. Learn. Purse. Shirt. Eagerly. Burger. Church. Serve. Circle. Dessert. Dessert. World. Furniture. Not furniture. Furniture. Moving on to the next sound, which is again, it's another extension of the so it's that the one before this had a little r to it, like this is cut. So you wouldn't say cut, you would say, and hence you cannot use the schwa because it's not a cut, it's a proper cut. Duck. Mother. Now mother has both the sounds, mud and then mother. Monkey. Number. Blood. Cup. Fun. Month. Subject. Butter. Supper. The next sound is a sound that is a little different in the American English, but in Indian English and in the standard pronunciation of English, the sound is ah, like heart. A lot of people call it as heart problem. It's not a heart problem, it's a heart problem. Pajamas. Scarf. Car. Carpet. Armchair. Garlic. Garage. So it's not a garage, it's a garage. Garage. Artist. Start. Charm. The next sound, and we are left with only two. Let's look at the words with the sound, which is R. Morning. Floor. Sport. Passport. Along. Fourth. Not fourth. Fourth. North. Order. Platform. Skateboard. And shorts. Last but not the least, the shorter version of the O. It's not mall, it's a mall. Mall. Chocolate, not a chocolate, chocolate. Daughter. Draw. Cross. Sausage. Sauce. Song. Malt. All. So the difference or the sounds are O and O. 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 So this brings us to the close of our monophthong, the single vowel sounds. Next week we will complete our phonetic chart with the 8 double sounds, or which are also known as the diphthongs. With those we will complete our pronunciation and get down to getting our functional English right, moving on in the direction of speaking smart. Till then, take care, and if you like the video, you know what you have to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you so much. I shall see you next week. Have a good one. Bye-bye.